All right, guys, it's item number 2. After the big $4,500 loss yesterday, we really need some help. I've got this router, and I'm buying this TCL. It has to be free, dude. I'm in the hole like crazy right now. $750 for the router and the TV. That's a good deal. Oh, actually, it's actually like $1,500. Oh my gosh, dude. So we're doing another $1,500 to furnish the apartment, dude. That's low-key a double. You won't. I'm gonna be down so bad if we don't smack it. Oh my gosh, that's huge. Wait, no, so we got free everything.
Wait.
No, we're still down
so
a little bit.
You're only down $1,500
I came back.
now, right?
I came back, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
All right, you guys are gonna see the TV up.
free.
Item 2 secured for free. TV, router in the back. The total cost $762.86.
Let's go.
I got that for hella free though with that double down.
Yeah, dude.
Next item tomorrow.
Let's go.